This real server always fails. Let's see the real, confusing bug that causes, and the real fix. Fetch only genuinely rejects on a real network failure. A 404 or a 500 response still resolves completely normally, which surprises people the first time they hit it. That means res.ok has to be checked by hand before trusting the response body at all. Wrapping the real await calls in try and catch genuinely catches both a manually thrown error and an actual network failure, so a real friendly fallback message can always replace broken or missing data. This real server always responds with a genuine 500 error for this demo. Watch what happens when the client code never checks for it. This real request genuinely completes. Fetch does not throw just because the server responded with an error status. The real error body error still passes as valid JSO, so this line runs without complaint. Data.value genuinely doesn't exist on this real error object. Text content silently becomes the literal string undefined, a real, confusing bug. The exact same real failing server, but the client code now genuinely checks for it. Wrapping the real request in try catch is what actually lets a thrown error be caught instead of crashing or silently corrupting the UI. This real line is the fix. Checking res.ok and throwing manually turns a silent failure into a real, catchable one. This line only runs now if the real request genuinely succeeded. A real network failure, no internet, DNS failure, would also land here automatically. Try catch covers both cases with one block. This real, honest message replaces the confusing undefined from before, exactly what this screenshot now shows. Closing the real catch block, the failure is now fully, genuinely handled, start to finish. Instead of just showing a message, a real try again button that reruns this same function gives the user an actual path forward. A genuine 401, not logged in, and a genuine 500, server crashed, are different problems. Checking res.status lets the UI respond to each one honestly. Next, giving the user real visual feedback while a request is still pending.